What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing group break number 3 of Pristine. Break number 3. So we are going to go live. We are live at 6:09. 6:09 here. So I'm going to take all the names. We got Kinger on top, Samich on the bottom. We got 1, 2, 3. No spaces in between. And then all the names. All the teams. So we're going 3 on each list. Good luck, everybody. 1. We got 30. That's good. 2. And 3. We got Jason on top. I need to get a new spreadsheet. Mr. Ross on top. And who was it on the bottom? Trevor on the bottom. 3 times on the teams. 1, 2, and 3. Washington on top. Florida on the bottom. And I will scroll through the list for you guys. And there you guys have it.